Yo, what's up everyone? It's Haroon here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the future of content creation. We're talking AI and no, not the Terminator kind. We're going to break down how to use AI tools to completely transform your YouTube game step by step. So if you're ready to make some noise on YouTube without the usual grind, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. All right, before you even think about hitting record, you got to figure out your lane, your domain, your niche. What gets you hyped? What are you genuinely passionate about? Gaming, tech reviews, cooking, whatever it is, it's got to be something you can talk about for hours. But here's the thing, passion's only half the equation. You got to do your homework. Use tools like Google Trends. See what people are searching for, what's trending in your space. Remember, we're not just creating content here, we're building a community. Now let's talk scripting. Some people love it, some people dread it, but there's no denying a good script is the backbone of a great video. But here's where things get interesting. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can help you brainstorm ideas, write entire scripts, or even just polish up what you've already got. Think of it like having a co-writer bouncing ideas off each other, except this co-writer is available 24/7. Just remember, AI is a tool. You're the creative force behind the words. Okay, time to give your videos a voice, literally. Now, you could spend hours recording and editing your own voiceover, or you could let AI do the heavy lifting. Tools like Murph.ai and Descript can generate incredibly realistic voiceovers in a matter of minutes. Choose from a library of voices, adjust the tone and pacing, and boom, you've got yourself a professional-sounding voiceover. Seriously, the tech here is mind-blowing, and it just keeps getting better. Chapter 4. From zero to stunning visuals, AI is your new creative partner. Visuals, they're everything. They can make or break your video. But creating eye-catching graphics, animations, and B-roll used to take serious time and skills. Not anymore. With AI-powered tools like Pictory, Runway ML, and Canva, you can generate stunning visuals in minutes, even if you can't draw a straight line. Seriously, check out Canva. It's a game changer. Think templates, stock photos, the works. And for those epic AI-generated visuals, Runway ML is where it's at. Chapter 5. Editing made easy, letting AI cut through the noise. All right, you've got your script, your voiceover, your visuals. Now it's time to bring it all together in the edit. But don't worry, we're not talking about spending hours hunched over a timeline. AI-powered editing tools like Adobe Premiere Pro and InVideo can analyze your footage, make cuts, and even add transitions automatically. It's like having a personal editor working alongside you, making sure your video is as tight and engaging as possible. Chapter 6. Setting the mood, AI-powered music and sound design. Music and sound effects. They're the unsung heroes of any great video, setting the mood, building tension, and bringing your story to life. But finding the right tracks can be a time-consuming and expensive process. Enter AI. Platforms like AIVA and Epidemic Sound use AI to generate royalty-free music and sound effects that are tailored to your video. Just choose a style, adjust the energy, and let the AI do its thing. Okay, you've poured your heart and soul into creating an awesome video. Now you've got to get it seen. That's where optimization comes in. AI tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ can analyze your content, research keywords, and even suggest the perfect title and description to help your video rank higher in search results. Think of it like giving your video a boost, making sure it reaches the right audience. Your video is live, the algorithm gods are pleased, now it's time to get the word out. Social media is your best friend here, and AI can help you dominate the game. Tools like Social Bee and Buffer can schedule posts, analyze your audience, and even suggest the best times to post for maximum engagement. It's like having a social media manager in your back pocket working tirelessly to get your video seen by as many eyes as possible. So your video is out there, racking up views, but the journey doesn't end there. YouTube Analytics is your best friend, and AI can help you make sense of all that data. Tools like Pictory and VidIQ can track your video's performance, identify what's working, and even suggest areas for improvement. This is all about learning from your audience, adapting your strategy, and constantly evolving your content. So there you have it, a complete roadmap to leveling up your YouTube game with AI. From finding your niche to scripting, generating visuals to editing, AI tools are changing the game, making it easier than ever to create high-quality content that stands out. The future is here, and it's time to embrace the power of AI. Go out there, create something amazing, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.